We're getting in some breaking news as far as the DRI's big drug haul case is concerned. Enforcement Directorate in all likelihood would now be stepping in. Another person who's been suspected to have been involved in the smuggling has been picked up from the national capital, is what we are being told. The agencies have interrogated the woman in concern and other personnel who were involved in helping smuggle the heroin into the country via the Gujarat port. The lady concerned is now being interrogated. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Priyanka, is joining us live from Ahmedabad. We're also being told that the Enforcement Directorate has sought details from the DRI. Based on the information that is going to come in from the DRI, the Enforcement Directorate is going to chart out the future course of action. Priyanka, just put out the details. This perhaps is the largest ever drug haul in the country. What are the links that are essentially emerging right now?
Well, yes, one of the biggest drug busts by agencies at the Mundra port in Kutch, and it has been going on since over 6 days now, and the investigation is being carried out by the DRI, the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, who has also picked up 2 people from Vijayawada, is what we're being told, and now another person from Delhi has been picked up for interrogation and has been brought to Kutch as well. We're being told that this is a further investigation into the entire matter to understand the entire drug cartel as well, because as we had been reporting earlier as well, these drugs that had been brought to the Gujarat port were going to be smuggled to Delhi and then of course to other states of the country as well. There is an entire nexus that the investigating agencies are trying to uncover as of now. As you mentioned, a woman named Vaishali from Vijayawada had been picked up. In fact, she hails from Vijayawada, but she had been picked up from Chennai, and she also is being interrogated because she is the registered owner of Ashi Trading Company, a company of who was actually supposed to receive this consignment of quote-unquote talcum powder that was being brought in as under the garb of talcum powder. Heroin was being smuggled from Mundra port, and this woman Vaishali of Ashi Trading Company has been brought to Kutch yesterday itself, and she was being interrogated. She still is being interrogated to understand how she had been helping, and the company had also been helping in these drug cartels for smuggling heroin inside of the country via Gujarat port, specifically the Mundra port as well. Now we're also being told that the ED, as you said, is going to be involved, but apart from that, a terrorist angle will also be looked into it, so to understand which the funding which comes up to around 20,000 crore rupees, what this money was going to be used for, where it was going to be sent back if this operation had been successful. Now the ATS, Gujarat ATS, we're also being told, will be leaving from Gandhinagar to go to Kutch itself, to the Mundra port, and get involved in the entire investigation. As of now, the DRI is carrying out their own investigation into the matter, but ATS will also be going and understanding where this funding was going to go, because as of now they suspect that this is a nexus that operates in sending back this funding via Hawala transactions to Middle Eastern countries, specifically like Afghanistan, because they're claiming that that's where they cultivate the most of this heroin, and they send it to other countries, specifically India, via Gujarat, where the ports, via the ports of Gujarat specifically. So they're also looking at the instability angle of Afghanistan and the Taliban takeover, and why these activities have sped up in the last 2 weeks or so, because remember, Shavan, it is not just one boat that has been seized. Yes, of course, it is one of the biggest drug busts, but apart from that, smaller boats have also been captured by intercepted, in fact, by the Indian Coast Guard and the Gujarat ATS, who are also investigating into this angle as to why there are more and more boats that are being intercepted with drugs on board, with specifically heroin on board, and all the crew members of the boat have been found to be Afghani nationals as well. So that investigation will parallelly go on as of now.
Priyanka, just a quick question before I let you go, just to understand the gravity of the situation, and more importantly, this is said to be the largest drug haul. So is there any reasoning or rationale that has been behind it? Or as you rightly pointed out, that are the officials looking at the current situation in Afghanistan could be one of the reasons why this consignment was in this huge number?
Well, to talk about the Gujarat port, Shravan, it has always been a point where smugglers have used it to smuggle in drugs and illegal goods as well via different countries, from different countries via the Gujarat port. But now, of course, the ATS is also looking into this angle specifically because we spoke to them yesterday and while they addressed a press conference about a boat that had been intercepted at Porbandar carrying 40 kgs of heroin as well, with 6 crew members who were Afghani nationals. We are also being given to understand that the ship that was carrying this 20,000 crore worth of heroin was also had Afghani nationals on board. Now, of course, they're looking at the timeline as suspicious because since the instability in Afghanistan, there are more and more boats that are being intercepted off the coast of Gujarat, specifically Mundra port and Porbandar as well. Now, this has always happened, but this more number of boats being intercepted is a point of concern that the officials are investigating into, and that is why we will see in a day or two the Gujarat ATS will also be sending a team to Kutch to interrogate these crew members and also these company owners that have been picked up from Chennai, Vijayawada, and now from Delhi we're being told an Afghani national had also been picked up and has been brought to Kutch, where an interrogation will take place both by the DRI, ED like you said, and also the Gujarat ATS in a day or two to investigate into this entire terror plot.
Well, thank you very much, Priyanka, for getting us the latest. This undoubtedly is just the tip of the iceberg as agencies are now looking into this entire matter, not just the DRI. We're now given to understand that Gujarat Police, along with that, even the other central agencies have now stepped in.